Hello students, welcome to the online lecture series of SDSM College Palghar. I am Vilas sir and today we are going to learn some important things regarding the chapter rock and soil. Yesterday we discussed the basic things about rock formation. Today we are going to study soil formation, processes of weathering and one scientist. Let's see the definition of soil. According to the Jenny, soil is naturally occurring body that has evolved owing to combined influence of climate and organism acting on a parent material conditioned by relief over a period of time. In a simple manner, soil can be defined as it is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquid and organism that together support the life. On earth, body of a soil called the pedosphere, and it has various functions like it is a medium for plant growth. Second, it means a water storage supply and for the purification, and the modifier of a earth atmosphere. Lastly, it can be habitat for organisms. According to the glossary of a soil science, that means the Soil Science Society of America in 1970s, the term soil can be defined as the consolidated mineral material on the immediate surface on earth that serves as a natural medium for the growth of plants. Secondly, the consolidated mineral matter on the surface of earth that has been subjected to the influence by genetic and environmental factor of a parent material. Climate, like including moisture and temperature, macro and microorganism, and topography, all acting over a period of time and producing a product that is soil. It refers from a material from which it is derived in many physical, chemical, biological, morphological characteristics and properties. The one of the famous scientists, Hans Jenny. Jenny was born in Basel, Switzerland. After completing the doctorate, he taught science at a Rudolf Steiner School in Zurich for the 4 years before beginning the medical practices. In 1967, Jenny published the first volume of the Cymatics, the study of wave phenomena. The second volume he came with in 1972, and year he dies. This book was written and photographed and documented of a effect of sound vibration on fluid, powder and liquid paste. He concluded this is not a unregulated chaos, it is a dynamic but ordered in pattern. Jenny made the crystal oscillator, and he made the tonoscope to set the plates and the membrane vibrating. He spread the quartz sand on a black drum membrane about a 60 centimeter in diameter. The membrane was caused to vibrate by singing loudly through the cardboard pipe. The sand producing symmetrical calendar pattern named as Ernst Clandy, who had discovered the phenomenon in 1787. Low tones resulted a rather simple and clear picture, while he made the higher tones formed more complex structures. And also the following appointment at the University of Missouri, Jenny joined at faculty at Berkeley in 1936. International recognition came to Jenny after the 1941 by the publication of Factor of Soil Formation, a system of quantitative pedology. His synthesis of field studies with the abstract formalism and the physical chemistry set down. The generic mathematical relationship that connects the observed properties of soil with the independent factors that determine the process of soil formation. Let's see the process of weathering for the formation of soil from a rock. It starts with the physical action and the rocks are fragmented on the surface of area. It is started by the action of temperature, water and air. Secondly, the chemical action, the different reactions forms and by the hydroxides, oxides and other salt acceleration which helps in the weathering process. Lastly, the vegetative or vegetation, then microflora and fauna which are affecting the loosened rock particles, and lastly the root penetration, root exudation. Microflora adds the organic acids and other organic compounds which helps the process further, and lastly the true soil is formed. Jenny formed a equation with the help of some important factors like S is equal to summation F in bracket Cl into B into R into P into T, where the S is soil, summation F is sum of function, Cl means a climate, B means a biosphere or the vegetation and a microorganism affecting the soil, R is a relief or topography, P is a parental material, it is nothing but the rock, and the T is time or age. And he formed the group into the two classes, it may be a passive or a active, which are helping to calculate the soil formation, and it is easy to use. Let us know the processes. A set of soil reaction leading to the formation of soil are known as soil forming processes. The book references will reveals that the calcification, podzolization, lateralization, salination or alkalinization are important for soil forming processes. Let's see the first process. The percolation of rainwater accumulates the carbonates of calcium and magnesium in soil profile, and it is known as the calcification. Let's see the second process. In humid region, large amount of organic matter is accumulated at the surface level. The decomposition of organic matter releases organic acids which removes iron from upper level, and it is fractionated at the different horizons, and it is known as podzolization. Let's see the lateralization. It means the hydrolysis of minerals, and in there it is a loss of aluminum oxides, silicates, soluble nutrients due to leaching. This process is prominent in a tropical condition. Lastly, the accumulation of a soluble salts like sodium, calcium, magnesium as a chlorides, sulfates and bicarbonates is termed as salinization, and after rainfall or irrigation these are removed from upper layer, and it is known as desalination. In the forest area, large amount of undecomposed and partially decomposed organic matter accumulates on the surface, which are also known as peat formation or peat soil. Here in the diagram, as you can see, the various climatic factors like rainfall, sunlight, other way the biological activities are the microorganisms, and it took thousands and lakhs of years to convert a parent material like a rock. It is loosened and softened into the pieces of a soil. So the topography, it is made with the various type of a biological physical chemical actions year by year. So lastly, the product it is formed in the form of a soil. I hope this lecture will help you to understand the concept of soil formation, and various factors regarding the soil formation and the withering effect.